Now I am going to dictate a journal passage based on Sir Kailash Chandra's transcription magazine at the rate of 80 words per minute. Let's start. There should be development of renewable resources, propagate scientific attitudes for public and personal hygiene, and educate the public about civic responsibility through adult and mass education. Para Engineering and Construction Division has to look after the maintenance and repairs of canals, dams, public schools, hospitals, digging of tube wells, and construction of solar and biogas plants, and all public works wherever required. This category of persons should attend to conservation of soil erosion, maintenance of environment, reclamation of fallow and infertile lands, and afforestation as well. Para. The next division is civil administration. This should act as an ancillary force to the police to supervise city traffic and keep an eye on antisocial elements. Para. Another division has to look after the health condition of the public and their general fitness. This division should cater to the needs of the ailing public. Para. There should be one cultural division which will arouse the artistic approach of the public and impart further knowledge. Under this scheme, rural areas should be visited by them once or twice in a calendar year. They may educate the illiterate public in rural areas about economic plans regarding government loans and subsidy, and impress upon them about unity and discipline and other social advancement, and about family planning, since brain drain in recent years is disturbing us. We should have a complete change of policy and make it a point to see that no one is enamored of the privileges enjoyed abroad and should not stick to their stay but return home to raise their country in the world arena. Right to work should be a constitutional guarantee, and in that event the aggrieved individual can move the appropriate court to seek relief. This will create more employment to unemployed youth. By adopting such tactful measures, we can prevent the mass exodus of the educated youth to other countries and develop our country. In the above circumstances, my suggestions may be considered, and the government may announce good schemes to retain our educated unemployed at home to work for the progress of this great nation. Para. Having failed to export any of our products, having invested crores of rupees, we are now going back to the same thing as exporting iron ore, manganese ore, and we try to export our jute products, so that we are going back to the same old stage even after making planning and development for the last 12 years. It is time that we thought seriously about our investment. Why we are lagging? Why is it that our industries cannot compete with foreign countries, although we take collaboration from Britain, America, Russia, and so many other countries? Stop. Thank you.